Hey everybody, Scott here. Today I'm going to tell you about Camco's Moisture Absorber. The Moisture Absorber is a simple and effective way to reduce moisture in any confined space. It's ideal for RVs and boats, but it can also be used in closets, bathrooms, crawl spaces, and storage spaces. The lavender-scented beads can absorb up to 3 times its weight in moisture, leaving the air smelling fresh. And it's easy to use. First, open up the container lid and take out the mesh filter and moisture-absorbing beads. Second, place the mesh filter back inside the container with the tip pointing up. Then, pour the beads into the container on top of the mesh filter. Next, from under the lid, tear out the center part of the foam layer. Finally, close the lid and place the container where you desire. When it's full, discard the beads, pour out the water, and refill the container over and over again using Camco's Moisture Absorber refills. The Moisture Absorber also comes in a 5-pound bucket that lasts up to 6 months. Camco's Moisture Absorber. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.